Hi! In front of me is VIVO V15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by accessing your keyboard and selecting this key icon at the top left corner of it. Now tap on Settings, select Theme, and tap on the best one for you. You can select even more of them by tapping on More at the top right corners. When you're ready, click on the best one and hit Download. Last but not least, tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to, you can always customize it by accessing the same settings, but this time selecting Manage My Theme at the bottom. Then hit this button with a wand, I think, at the bottom right corner. Select this icon to add a photo. Click on the chosen one and adjust it. You can drag it to move and pinch it to scale. When you finished, tap on Apply. Now you can adjust all of those options by tapping on sections above, like Effect, Buttons, Font, and even color of your keys when you press them. When you finished, click on this check mark at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, after tapping on OK, my keyboard's theme was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!